Good day, class. My name is Erome Orishekubemi Theodore, and I will be your tutor today. The topic we have today is called Simple Equation. We have two types of equation. We have simple equation and we have simultaneous equation. Well, first of all, let's understand what a simple equation is all about. Now, from our topic, previous classes we talked about algebraic expression, where we have a constant and a variable x. Constant and a variable x. 2 as a figure is called a constant in mathematics, especially in this topic called equation. The x you see there is called a variable, not letter x. In mathematics, we don't call letters by the name or by the say alphabet or whatever. We call it a variable. So let's march forward. This is an example of an algebraic expression where it becomes an equation. The difference between this is an expression, algebraic expression or simple expression, algebraic expression. Now, for equation, we have something like this. It could be 2x equal to 4. This is an example of an equation. That's the difference between an expression and equation, where there's an equal to sign. Whenever you see an equal to sign in a situation like this, it's an equation. But when there's no equal to sign anywhere, it's an expression. Do we get the difference? Okay. Thank you for understanding that. Now let's try to solve this simple equation we have here. I can start with this and say 2x plus, we can have it in this form also, a simple equation, plus 2 is equal to 4. This is an example of a simple equation. The first thing that we'll do is to collect like terms, where we say all constants that have a variable go to one side, all constants that do not have a variable go to the other side. So in this equation we have two sides, the left hand side and the right hand side. So 2x plus 2, it's on the left hand side of the equation, the left hand side of the equation. And after the equal to sign, so we have this 4 is the right hand side of the equation. Can you get it now? So what we do here, since we have 2x and there is 2 here and there is 4 here, you see this constant does not have a variable. This, let me write it again, sorry, 2x plus 2 equal to 4. In the same thing, I just want to make it clear. Now 2x, there's a variable here, there's 2 here, but there's no variable here. There's 2 here, there's no variable here also. So what do? We see how to move this 2 from here to this other side. How do we do it? How do we collect like terms? We collect like terms by transferring these 2 from the left hand side to the right hand side. How do we do it? We are going to say like this: add -2 to both sides of the equation. You see it? So that means 2x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 2. Are you seeing it? Very interesting. So 2 plus 2 minus 2, when they subtract, we'll have 0 as our answer. So that leaves us with just 2x at the left hand side and then 4 minus 2 at the right hand side. Then 4 minus 2 will give us what? 2. 2x is equal to just 2. Now we are looking for the variable x, not 2x. So what do? Because we can't leave our answer like this. We will now divide both sides by the coefficients of x. Well, what do we mean by coefficient of x? We are talking about a number that it's standing beside the variable x. It could be x, it could be p, whichever variable that is present in that particular question given to you. But in this case, 2 is standing beside x. So we're going to be dividing both sides by 2. So that will be 2x over 2 is equal to 2 over 2. So 2 we cancel 2 off, we left with x. 2 cancel 2 here, your answer is 1. So this is how you solve a simple equation. See you in our next class with more examples on simple equation. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you. Bye-bye.